Hello everyone, this is Muskan Sharma. So today I am going to discuss the structure of hibiscus flower. So here this is a hibiscus flower and now I am going to separate its parts one by one. First of all, I am separating the sepals, which is collectively known as calyx. Here you can see calyx is separated from its base. And now I am going to separate the petals one by one. Petals are collectively known as corolla. Now we have almost done with the petals and the only last one is left. Now it is also separated. Here you can see this is ovary, this is style, and this upper part is stigma. Now I am going to open this style with the help of this needle. And here you can see a glance of pollen tube. Now I am taking it out from the style. Now you can see the full pollen tube with stigma at its top. Now I am cutting out the style from ovary. Here this is the pollen tube and the red color at top is the stigma. Here this is the ovary and now I am cutting it from the mid. I am separating the ovules from the ovary. It is very small and maybe not visible in the camera. Here you can see many small ovules are present here. I am taking it out. These ovules contain eggs. Now I am going to show you the male reproductive part of a flower, that is stamen. Here you can see this is the stamen, the yellowish part is anther and the long tube is filament.